if you want to minimize how much you pay in taxes from this to this, make sure that you watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you will have known how you can minimize on the taxes that you pay at the end of the financial year. As the financial year is coming to the end, the tax season is also getting closer. So as a small business owner, you will want to use all the possible legal ways that you can to minimize on the tax that you'll be paying back to the government. That's why I made this video to show you how a small business owner can minimize on the taxes that they pay back to the government for the previous tax year. But before we go further, I want to put up this disclaimer that this video is for informational purposes only. Don't expect you to use this video for tax and financial advice. So if you ever need tax or financial advice, always remember to consult the professionals. So let's go ahead and cover some of the ways that you can minimize on the taxes that you pay back to the government for this financial year. It will be great if you got a piece of paper and a pen, because there is information that you will find useful, so you will need to note down something. So remember to get yourself a piece of paper and a pen. If you want to minimize on the taxes that you pay for your business, always remember record keeping. Remember to put emphasis on record keeping, because without records you won't have any evidence to support your claims. So always remember to keep records of every business expenses through the financial year. The plan is to legally maximize as much as possible your deductible, so that you can minimize as much as possible the taxes that you'll be paying back to the government. And remember, I put emphasis on the word legally, because if you make any mistake and do some sketchy illegal work while claiming all the things that you didn't spend in your business, you'll be caught. So always remember to put emphasis on the word legal. So guys, here are some of the most common deductible business expenses. The first business expense will be office space. Whether you have a home office or you're renting outside your house, always remember to keep the records of your rent, because you will need that when you're filing for your business taxes. And rent is a deductible when it comes to trying to minimize on the tax that you want to pay back to the government. Another deductible when you're filing for your LLC taxes is utility used by the business. Imagine you're working from home, your business address is at home, so you're using lighting and you're using internet, so you can always deduct what you paid for your internet throughout the year, and also what you paid for your electric bill. That can also be used as a deductible when you're filing for your business taxes. The next is marketing and advertising. If you paid any money during the financial year to market and advertise your business, that can also be used as a deductible when you're filing for your taxes. And for marketing, even if you made a placard that you put on the street, that can also be used to deduct when you're filing for your taxes. So business ads like Google ads, TikTok or Facebook ads, whatever you paid for your business to be advertised online can be also used as a deductible when you're filing for your taxes. And guys, if you've reached this part of the video and you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new videos that will be coming up about business, dropshipping, taxes and e-commerce. So another deductible that we shall cover is professional fees. For professional fees, this goes to cover all the costs that include legal charges. So if you ever consulted a lawyer, or if you ever talked to a consultant or a business coach during the financial year, whatever you spent can be deducted when you're filing for your business tax. And next, on some of the things that you can deduct from your business expenses are travel and entertainment fees. If you happen to go on business trips, whatever you spent on your business trip can be deducted when you're filing for your business taxes. So for instance, if you have a Shopify store and you travel to LA to attend a business conference, whatever you spent on your business trip can always be deducted when you're filing for your business taxes. This is for a registered business, so if your business is not registered, that means that you'll not be eligible to deduct all these expenses. That you can also deduct office supplies and equipment. For instance, if you bought office furniture, or if you bought office computer, if you bought anything that you use for your business. For instance, if you're a YouTuber and your YouTube is a registered business and you bought a camera, or you bought lenses, lighters, or anything that you bought for your business, that can always be deducted when you're filing for your taxes. And another thing that can be deducted is a vehicle. If you use your car for business purposes, like when you're driving to conduct your business activities, always keep records of all the expenses like insurance, car note, gas, and also keep note of the mileage that you've covered during the financial year. So you can always deduct on use your car as a deductible. Like all the expenses that go on your car can always be used as a deductible when you're filing for your business taxes. And lastly, meals. If you ever have a business meeting, whatever you spent on any meal during the business meetings, that can always be deducted when you're filing for business taxes. So guys, that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new coming videos. And remember, this video was for informational purposes only. Don't take this video as a tax advice video, because it is only meant for informational purposes. And if you need any tax advice, always remember to consult the tax professionals. Thanks for watching.